Have you ever felt stuck in a rut with your daily routines, unable to make lasting changes to improve your life? It's not uncommon to struggle with forming healthy habits, but with the right techniques, you can build atomic habits that will stick forever. In this video, we'll explore the science behind habit formation and provide actionable steps to help you create positive changes that will last a lifetime. The human brain is wired to seek out pleasure and avoid pain. When we form habits, our brains work to create shortcuts to conserve energy and make tasks easier to complete. However, our brains don't differentiate between good and bad habits, and we often fall into the trap of forming negative habits that can be hard to break. To build atomic habits that will last, it's important to focus on creating positive habits that align with your goals. One of the most effective ways to do this is by starting small. Small habits, or what author James Clear calls atomic habits, are easier to form and can lead to big changes over time. Here are some tips to help you create atomic habits. Start with a small habit. Choose a habit that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. For example, if your goal is to exercise more, start by doing 10 push-ups every morning. Make it specific. Define the habit clearly so you know exactly what you need to do. For example, instead of saying I'll exercise more, say I'll do 10 push-ups every morning. Attach the habit to an existing routine. This will help you remember to do it every day. For example, you could attach your push-up habit to your morning coffee routine. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker to keep track of your progress and hold yourself accountable. Celebrate small wins. When you successfully complete your habit for the day, celebrate it. This will help you build momentum and stay motivated. Remember, forming atomic habits takes time and patience. It's important to be consistent and keep working on your habits, even when you don't feel like it. Over time, your small habits will add up to big changes. Building atomic habits can be a life-changing process. By focusing on small habits that align with your goals, you can create positive changes that will last a lifetime. Remember to start small, be specific, attach your habits to existing routines, track your progress, and celebrate small wins. With these tips, you can build atomic habits that will stick forever and transform your life. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your atomic habits today.